This one's rigged, so I don't know what it's going to do.
Aww.
What do you mean, aw?
It fell off. One of them fell off.
Yeah, they didn't set off, did they? Still pretty, though. God. Yes, the puppy is just so thrilled with what we're doing. Oh, come here, baby. No, poor rascal. That was cool.
Run, rascal!
Don't you dare do that again!
That scared the bejesus out of me.
What scared the bejesus out of you?
That one.
Why?
Oh, it chased after me.
Do you got any more of those?
What?
The ones like you just set off.
Oh, yeah. Tons of those.
Oh, dude, I didn't have it up there. I just thought that you could see the bottle rocket a second ago.
Alright, pause it for a minute.